Amisha Rathod, and we are having Q&A session with our L1, Jaydeep Pawar. Congratulations. Congrats sir for consistent hard work. And last time we had Tanmay L2, we have Jaydeep L1, and next time we will reach greater heights for sure. So let us start with the session. I will start by asking Jaydeep, how did you start your journey?
Actually, the journey of mine started when I was in the second year of the college. After completing the third semester, when there was the vacation, I decided to go for the GATE. The plan was clear, so I started searching for the institutes, and then I read on Quora about the VisionGATE, and I decided to ask where the professor would like to take a second year student in their coaching, and then the sir said yes. So on that day, I started attending lectures from the 20 batch itself. So after completing all the lectures with 20 batch, then I started the lectures of a 21 batch. So I had prepared 1 year fully with the 20 batch.
So being a second year student, wherein we are in the mood, like we want to hang out here with our friends, we want to do stuff, we want to enjoy engineering life, you decided to do something like preparing for GATE exams. So how did you come to this conclusion wherein you want to prepare for it?
Yes, the most popular options are the MBA, MTech and the MS. MBA even though is a good option, but after studying the COA and data structures, I came to know that yes, this is my region, I love this thing. So I decided to go for the higher studies in the computer science itself. So there were two options, like go for the MS or MTech. But what I found, that it's my personal opinion, that we have to opt for the GRE and it tests the verbal ability. So rather than going for the verbal ability, I think it's best to go for the GATE, because it's test your the technical side also. So then I decided to go for the GATE, and that's where I started.
Okay sir, I would like to ask you, what was your first impression about GATE?
So I remember the day actually when in his second year, Jaydeep came for the admissions. In general, whenever a student would like to take admissions, he was not sure. People normally doesn't used to be sure, right, whether they want to take admission, why, right? But I found in just very first meeting, Jaydeep sir just basically inquired, took admission, paid fees and started the class. So at that point of time, we have two separate batches. One for the GATE 20, another for the GATE 21. So for GATE 21, I have started the maths lecture. Meanwhile, Jaydeep knew that after his lecture, I am going to start the lecture for GATE 2020. So he asked me, sir, whether you will allow me to attend lectures with GATE 2020 students. And really, I was pretty happy, and of course, there is no issues. So Jaydeep started preparation with the GATE 2020 students. I remember, not just only once or twice, there are many occurrences when I ask the problem into the GATE 2020 class. Many of the students are not able to tell the answers, but Jaydeep told answer. So even I told the whole class GATE 2020 that a student who want to prepare for 21 is able to tell answer, but you are unable to tell the answers. So yes, I have initially identified a spark in him, but since it was his second year, so I found Jaydeep is kind of very jolly in terms of nature, and he used to make fun of GATE 2020 students. Even GATE 2020 students told him, okay, when it will be your exam GATE 2021, then we will disturb you. But after GATE 2020 exam, Jaydeep was too serious, 100% discipline, and he came out as a winner with all odd possible circumstances. Not just only VisionGATE or India, the whole world had faced this pandemic COVID-19 situation. Suddenly classes moved out from offline to online without any preparations, but even we have leveraged that opportunity. In offline classes, there were limitations. We have to come from home, then start class and go back to home. Online, there is no such limitation. So we had classes till as late as even 11 p.m., 11:45 p.m. and that's the reason now Jaydeep is here. And it is not the accidental success, which I will say again and again. Throughout this whole GATE 2021, Jaydeep has appeared into the majority different type of a test series, and more than a 50% of the test series he secured All India rank 1. So never it is not at all it is accidental, it is a pre-planned, right? His discipline, his hard work, his commitment towards the success, and that's why he achieved the success in GATE 2021.
Totally, sir. So, what are the notable qualities in Jaydeep which you will like to see in every student of your class?
Okay. As even you asked as a very first problem, that in second year how you can take a decision to prepare for the GATE. If I look back my 17-18 years back story, even I planned right in my second year that I would like to prepare for the GATE. But in general, in today's generation, what I found, students are looking some kind of a easy path for the success, that they should not work hard. And Jaydeep took very right decision in his early phase of his engineering. Hardly if students into the third semester, and when actually he's going to start these technical subjects, because normally first year is a common subject for all engineering branches, and he has planned, yes, I want to prepare for the GATE. So that kind of awareness is the first quality. Second quality, which I explained you, right? He enrolled for GATE 2021. He was attending session with GATE 2021 students, right? All the students of 21, they have attended their session and left for the home. But he asked me that he would like to attend the session with the GATE 2020 students, right? So that is one of the another quality which he has, and other students lag into that. So these are the two, right? The third thing, when actually Tanmay Sule secured All India rank 2 in GATE 2020, then I pushed hard not only Jaydeep, many of the VisionGATE students know now we have another milestone to achieve, and that milestone is AIR 1. And yes, there are students who have tried for this particular things, but the way I have seen in the change, right, in Jaydeep, what kind of a change typically? I told you earlier he was jolly, and later he became very obedient, kind of very disciplined kind of students. And he is the students, you can see on records, right? For every Google Meet lectures, he is the first person without fail, on time. He used to share the link, record the lecture, share the notes with the students, and majority of the VisionGATE repository for the GATE preparations, 70% contribution is a Jaydeep. It's not created by Jaydeep. He has taken from the previous year students and he has prepared. You are not aware. Actually, before just 15-20 days back, he said, sir, I have a huge amount of material for the GATE 22 preparations. Can I share with the students? I said him, just hold on. Once the results will declare, because then students will have a trust, right, over us, right? Yes, the student whose material I am getting, it is worth of it. So now he will share his repository with the GATE 2020 students, and it is my expectation from those students that they will add value into those set of materials, which is actually USP of the VisionGATE, and they will pass on to the GATE 2023 and will continue this saga, right, as much as possible.
Thank you, sir. So, Jaydeep, success is never easy. It is a hard path, and you have to sacrifice a lot of things. So, what were those things you had to sacrifice? You used to do earlier in junior, like first year and all.
I used to play a lot of games, like 7 to 8 hours continuous were the fixed, like the session, first session of 7 to 8 hours, and then second session. I had left that thing, and I was studying the things which were I living. So the sacrifice was less, I would say, but still, like watching movies or on, like that thing continued once in a week. Yes, I definitely do that.
Okay, so you used to watch movies, which shows that you used to take care of your entertainment part.
Yes.
So you never used to exhaust yourself too much in studying. So how did you used to manage this? Some people start watching movies or series and then they binge watch it, and we cannot stop doing it. You know that, right? So how did you manage that?
I would say never go for something like web series or all, because we all know once we started, we are not going to stop.
So Jaydeep, as a college student, everyone likes to have fun. They have these distractions. So did you have any distractions?
Yes, I would say I had two distractions major. One was the gaming and another was watching movies. The gaming used to be in sessions of 6 to 7 hours. That kind of involvement I had to in the game. But during the preparation, I left the game and kept movie as the only choice of entertainment once in a week.
Okay. Everyone likes watching movies and series, but once they start watching, they binge watch it. So how do you deal with that?
I would say don't go for web series because I know they are addictive and you are not going to stop unless and until you see the final season. So go for movies because after watching 2 or 2.5 hours, you know it's over and okay. After that, you know it's over. So let's go for the studies. So that one thing we should keep in mind.
Okay. So being part of Somaya, you have so many fests going on.
Yes.
So you have IVs and fest and everything that. And how you used to be like, I have to sacrifice this because I cannot go for fest. So was there this, you have like, I want to go and I can go. So how you used to deal with that?
Personally, I don't like dancing and the other things like going for a fest and all that much. That's my personal choice. So I was really okay with it, cool with it, okay. And anyways, I don't like it, so I didn't feel that I should go over there or dance with like that. That distraction I never had. In once in a while with friends, I used to go to like trekking or something. Yes, that was fine.
And being a computer science student, you will like coding. So people go for competitive coding or projects like that.
Yes.
So you used to do that or you also sacrificed on that?
I tried to do it in the third semester, but then once I started for the GATE preparation, then okay, I left that completely. I did only as much as required for the college for completing the assignments, nothing more than that.
Okay. And what about your final year project? As a final year student, we have this pressure of maintaining with professors. You have vivas and internships. So you did all those things, or you took help from your friends and something like that?
The internship and all, I never participated. I didn't even open any single mail for that. And the vivas and all were, yes, my teachers were very decent teachers and they always helped students. So it went pretty well. College was never an issue. And my friends always had my back in submissions or help, anything I needed. Especially my friend Priyanka, she helped me a lot in the final year project. So because of her, I never had to think about it. Okay, this is also pending. Okay, this is also pending. She was there whenever help were needed to me.
Okay, Jaydeep. So tell us about your hobbies, which you used to do apart from studying.
I used to watch movies, and the second one was the photography.
Okay, so photography was your go-to place. Like when I'm feeling low, I'll go for photography or something like that.
In the means, if I'm going out with my friends, then they know the photographer is with us, like that. So, though occasionally, whenever I get chance, I'll do that.
Okay, sir. Now I'd like to ask you, what are the qualities about Jaydeep you don't like, and you wanted him to improve on those?
So I don't think so that I can see any such qualities because whatever bad quality he has, I also share the same quality. We both used to make fun the whole class. So Jaydeep used to do also this thing and same I. So actually it's a kind of, it is creating good environments. We always used to pass actually good joke. It's not just hurting anyone emotions. But we both are very good in terms of a one-liner. So whenever we pass the one-line comments, people will not be able to think or decode those things. So the same problem with both of us are there.
Okay, Jaydeep. So what was your schedule for preparation while GATE exam preparation?
The main thing was to wake up early. I used to wake up by 5 or at most 5:15 like that, and then the first 6 hours of morning will be properly for the study for the GATE, no second thought about that. And if then some important thing like college stuff or something came, then yes, I'll adjust that in 1 or 2 hours max. And then again for the 6 hours of schedule for the GATE. And after doing that, I used to went in autopilot mode that whatever now, if I felt like studying, I will study. Otherwise, I'll just rest, take a rest, not watching anything or like that.
So you used to have a prior schedule or plan in your mind, I want to do this today or something like that, timetable sort of thing?
Yes, after watching the movie in Saturday, I used to plan what should be the schedule for the whole week, what should I be complete by the next week itself. Yes, I agree, not always 100% of the time I have accomplished whatever I want. There will be some things because of which your timetable will shift, it may get postponed, but that's fine. At least you should give your 100%, so while when you are going to sleep, you will have been, okay, right, I give my best, let's try tomorrow.
So while preparation, did you ever have backlogs while studying? Professor is teaching you something and now I have a backlog. So how can you deal with that?
Frankly speaking, yes, some subjects were new to me, sir used to teach and I used to understand, but there were some things like some slight things which I may not be able to capture. So the 20 batch students were very helpful to me. The Arushi, the Tanmay, Tushar, Manasvi, they always used to tell me whenever I had the doubts, and especially Bharti, Farida, they always took care of me like the younger brother we have. Whatever doubt I have, they will tell me.
Okay. Sir, I'd like to ask you, seeing at your confidence, like from a month ago you used to tell us, he's the one who will secure L1 and I know that, I have that confidence in him. So how do you gain that confidence? Did you know he will even score better than this? He can do it. Or you think this is like, I knew this is gonna happen?
Okay, so actually this confidence comes actually due to the efforts we put the whole 1 year. Trust me, I was alone at home, there was no one with me, and I used to just teach them, and I used to cook food for me, everything, right? And it's not just only teacher and student relationship. As I told multiple times that we used to pass jokes, right? It's a kind of very healthy and friendly environments. So we used to put huge amount of efforts. And trust me, for the GATE preparations, in our best state of knowledge, we did not miss out even a single concept which is available into the any physical material or over a web. Means we have identified every reference book problems, concepts reading, solving their test bank problem, all the previous years GATE Q paper, and over internet there are many number of sources. Maybe right, X student did not try any particular problem, but then someone else has tried and asked the problem into the tutorials. So over a web, related to the GATE subjects, whatever material or problems available, our students tried all those problems, be it simplest problem or be it the most complex problem. Even there are many occasions, not this year, last year and every year, even I am not able to understand the problem, solve the problem, then collectively we used to go and look at all the possible sources, read it, develop our concepts, discuss those concepts and improve wherever we were not comfortable. And this whole things we have done in this GATE 2021 preparations. And maybe this COVID is a curse for anyone else, but this was boon for us. Why it was boon for us? Because the students has to attempt their college engineering schedule, right? Through online schedule, they need not to go to the right colleges, kind of 75% and all those things, right? And we are actually wasting huge amount of time into the traveling as a teacher or students, and even actually we used to be tired with those kind of travel. And you know, in Mumbai, right, travel into the local train is actually very difficult. And then you have to close your class at a particular time, right? 9 p.m. you have to stop it. But we do not have such kind of a concern. We have started morning, we are completely fresh, not at all tired. We work hard as much, maybe 2 hours, 3 hours. Then we did the self-study, then we have again started discussions, right? And whatever possible, right, we tried it. Now, why I was sure that the Jaydeep will select it? Again, I am telling it is not accidental success. Whether it is our tutorial class are very important. And as Jaydeep told you, right, whenever he was preparing for Gate 21 with Gate 20, this Tanmay, Tushar, Arushi, Manasvi, Bharati, Farida, it's not just only, these are the few names. Every students of VisionGATE, they support each other. Even it is a competitive environment, but it is as the same point of time, it is a collaborative also. They are very good friends. They share very good relationship among themselves, right? So this kind of friendly natures. Suppose Jaydeep had some actually exam in KJ Sumaya Engineering College, and he is not able to attend the lecture that much frequently. Could be, right? But Asutosh is present, Sejal is present, or someone else is present. So whatever in that particular lectures, I discuss the problems, and that are the quality problems. So Jaydeep used to look at those recorded lectures, whatever he missed out. If there are some doubt, he used to ask Asutosh and Sejal or other friends also. It's not just only limited 1, 2 or 3. So this friendly environment into the VisionGATE, and everyone is ready to push the boundary, and we all know that none of us are perfect. Even Jaydeep secured All India rank 1. I am teaching from last 17 years, produces many single digit ranks, 2 digit ranks, and secured ranks within 100 multiple number of times. But still there are chance of improvement in me, in him, and in anyone else, right? So it's not just pure marketing. We have a target. Actually, we had a target that we want to achieve rank 1. We don't want to steal the rank 1. We want to achieve the rank 1, and that was the target. And we have prepared many students. People fight like anything. Some people secure 17 ranks, 35 ranks, 38 ranks, and some one of them have secured All India rank.
Yes, sir, totally. So, Jaydeep, I would like to ask you, do you have any backups? Like, you have any backup plan? If not GATE, then I'll go for placements or something like that?
I never set for the placement. I believe in burning all the ships, so I never go for internship, never go for any placement, never prepare for any exam. I was like, यही करना है तो यही करना है. So I never had any plan B, because having plan B makes you think about the plan B more than the plan A. So I find it personally good to burn all the ships and then go for a single option.
What were the do's and don'ts you would like to share with us?
The most common thing I would say, don't consume tea or coffee before 6 to 7 hours of work before the sleep, because then your central nervous system will be at least 30 to 40 minutes behind your sleep schedule. So even if you are sleeping for the 6 to 7 hours completely, you will feel tired. So this is the one thing that we should take care of. I realized it very late, so that's the one thing everyone should keep in mind. I'd like to say that. And the process is important. It's not at all important you to think about the result, what will be my rank or where I will be. Just do the work which you are doing with very honesty, and then everything will be turned out fine.
And about the fitness, physical fitness, while studying we don't care about it. Still you are fit, and how do you do that?
I used to do sport jogging and all, but that only because I had been through the various research papers, and I knew that for brain to generate enough neurons, it's good to have some physical activity. So just with respect to that, I used to jogging, not like overall physical fitness.
Okay. Sir, while you are teaching us, sometimes we get demotivated or we start blaming ourselves for things. So you always keep us motivated. I'd like to share it with our audience. So if you can say some motivated things that you used to tell us during the lectures, always you keep us encouraging.
Okay, so just I would say first one line. Actually, once I was watching one interview of Hema Malini ji, and she said into that particular interview, every success contains up and downs, depression. So you cannot achieve the success without any downs. Just only up and you achieve the success. That is never the case. Whether me, Jaydeep, or anyone, everyone work hard to achieve their goal. Another example I will say, I'm actually a great fan of Sachin Tendulkar, and when I was actually a child, I have seen that playing. Look at Sachin Tendulkar made 99 century, and approximately 1 year he has waited for the 100th century. A person who has done a particular task at the same level 99 number of times, if that person has to struggle to repeat the same thing for 1 year, but he did not lose courage. When actually he made 100th century, because I was a good follower of him, there are other players who were doing shopping and kind of things, but I learned Sachin Tendulkar used to do the practice with very newcomers of his team, and finally he succeeded and he got the 100th century. Now people say him God of cricket, he is Bharat Ratna, but look at the kind of pressure he has to bear. The whole India, actually whenever Sachin used to start a match in that particular year when he was struggling for 100th century, whether cricket का भगवान आज 100वां शतक बनाएगा या नहीं बनाएगा, and whenever he became unsuccessful, the whole media channel used to criticize him. He has bear those kind of pressure. Whether we are bearing in our personal life or in our professional life, we are too small in comparison to him, and we are not facing such kind of a difficulty. But still he tried. He has enough money, he has enough name, fame, but he did not lose his courage. And we are not ready to put 1 year efforts to clear gate with rank 1 first time event. Then how you can clear? So you must have a confidence, conviction about your decision. In the whole 1 year of preparations, whenever you would like to try to be top 1 rank or top 10 rank or even 100 rank among lakhs of the students, it is never an easy job. You need to learn many concepts, you have to be practiced, right? You should have a patience, you should not do the calculation mistake. Means there are not just only learning the concepts, there are n number of areas where you have to improve, and then only you can produce the results. I never want very kind of intelligent students. I want students who has a discipline, obedient, confidence, patience. These are the important quality for the success. In our childhood, we learn this story कि कछुआ खरगोश से जीत गया रेस में. जब मैं बच्चा था मुझे भी ये स्टोरी अटपटी लगती थी. That is not possible. But as a teacher, as a professional person, I always found कि कछुआ ही खरगोश से रेस में जीतता है. कभी खरगोश जो है कछुए से रेस में नहीं जीतता. खरगोश तेज चल सकता था, दौड़ सकता था कछुए से, बट उसके अंदर डिसिप्लिन नहीं था. इट्स लैक ऑफ डिसिप्लिन. कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था एंड कमिटमेंट्स टुवर्ड्स द टारगेट. कछुआ के पास कमिटमेंट था अपनी टारगेट को अचीव करने के लिए. कॉन्फिडेंस था. दैट्स व्हाई राइट चैलेंज विद द खरगोश. और उसके साथ साथ जो है डिसिप्लिन था. सो किसी भी सक्सेस के लिए योर इंटेलिजेंट इज नॉट दैट मच रिक्वायर्ड. योर कमिटमेंट, your discipline, your patience and convictions are the most important. If any one of the GATE aspirants, so I'll say in the whole 1 year of preparations, you will face such kind of difficulty. Even if you attend my lectures, I am telling you upfront, initial 1 month it is very difficult to cope up and you will get easily demotivated. But I guarantee, if you will be with me throughout the whole year, no one can stop you the success. And whether it is GATE 2021, 20, 19, 18, any year, any students who have attended lectures till the very last sessions, at least 99% of them achieve their target. And that is mantra for the success. None of us has any capsule or any short-term things, right? That if you do this, then you will get success. No. Success is a process, it is a procedure, and you have to follow to achieve the success.
Thank you, sir. So, Jaydeep, we heard from your friends you never used to take notes. You used to memorize things. How you used to do that?
I would say I have learned the things by visualization, and I used to go till the depth. I'm okay, satisfied. Okay, I am understood the concept. So because of that, I never need to write much of the things, and by God's grace, had a pretty decent memory. So that helped a lot. Apart from that, I had few docs for each subject, like 4 to 5 or 10 pages at max. And where I used to take note of some things like which I have to remember, there is no other way, or the things which we derived or something we new found and we learned or developed by the peers. So those things I used to keep in that doc, because those are the things which take a lot of time, and it's not guaranteed that second time also people will be that much interested. So yeah, only that much.
We would like to see your good coordination as student and teacher. Would you like to say something about RSV sir throughout your journey?
I would say, being such a means, I was pretty young for the GATE preparation, and I used to sit with 20, but still he took care of me. He used to solve my doubts. Not like he is going to appear in 21, so instead of devoting time to him, I should devote time to the 20 batch. That never happened with me, so that was one of the best things, I would say.
Okay. So now that we know you have secured Air 1, how does it feel after doing that? It's a great achievement and everyone is proud of you.
I am feeling pretty normal, and I am happy, of course, but yes, not like something new I have ever seen or it was unexpected, not like that. We had that coming after the submission of the questions in the GATE exam, and when we check the response sheet, we know that okay, this would be our result, and yes, it will be very good.
What will you like to say to the next batch?
I would like to say, focus on the process, work on the process. The results are just byproduct. If you are good in the process, if you are giving your 100% daily, then not even you can have anything excuse, or not even you can point at yourself and say you should have done this. If you are giving your 100%, then no one can say you, and you'll be satisfied with yourself, and that will enhance the character, and that matters the most, I would say.
Thank you, Jaydeep. Sir, so how will you like to motivate the next batch?
Okay, so actually, as I told many times, that VisionGATE is just 4 years old institute. So the first year we had 20 students hardly, and 8 of them got admission into the IITs and ISCs. And best rank we have produced, right, AIR 27 from NEHA, and Mayur secured AIR 32. Next year, number of students actually increased, so the total number of students selected also increased. So there are 15 to 16 students got admission into the IIT and ISC, and first time from the VisionGATE, a lot of students, 8 students have cleared IISc Bangalore, and out of them 5 have them joined the IISc Bangalore. Then actually people ask me this question, sir, now 5 students from in IISc Bangalore, what else do you want? You say, right, there is no end of the success. We need to achieve a lot, and we prepare for GATE 2020. So in VisionGATE, we have never secured single digit rank before that. So in 2020, approximately 22 to 23 students got admission into the various IITs and ISCs, and our best ranker right secured All India rank 2 in computer science. And that was the very right inflection point for the VisionGATE. So there are people actually who thought that it is a kind of accidental result, surprise, right? Now post GATE 2020, what VisionGATE will do. And yes, and that particular statements I have taken as a challenge. And I have asked my students, right, this year we have to be planned to achieve All India rank 1. Jaydeep is here. Definitely more than 100 number of times in my class I have asked All India rank Anyone can look at my 2018 or 19 interview. I have told that yes, in 18, that 19, 20, 21 we are going to produce better results. In 19 for 20, 21, 22, same for 20, and now also. So now people are saying that you have achieved All India rank 1, what else? Now you cannot achieve the rank better than All India rank 1. No, that is not the case. What we can do? Suppose as of now, in top 1000 we have 15 or 16 or 17 students or 18. As of now, if I am right, there are approximately 20 students. Next year it could be 30. It's not just the only gain of one student. It is the collective success which actually matters. If as of now in top 500 we may have 12-13 students. Next year our target would be 20 students. That is a success. It's not just only rank 1 is a success. Maybe right in top 300 we have 10 students. Next year 15 students. As of now in 20 we have 3 students, and single digit we have just only 1 student. If next year in single digit there are 2 students, then it is again the progress. So again what Jaydeep told, this is the mantra for the VisionGATE. Yes, we work for the results, but result is a byproduct. What is the main thing? Process, commitment. So what we have to do as a VisionGATE students, as a teacher, I need to invent much better way of teaching, more knowledge I need to transfer among my students, more type of the problems, and what our students has to do, and they need to put more efforts because they have already leveraged. There are many students in across the country, actually they haven't seen rank 1, rank 2. But here we are personally meeting them, their contact number is with us, they are always able to motivate us. The culture of VisionGATE, right? Even all previous year students are my own personal students, whomever I have taught, they are always to guide us. So 22 students make sure that everyone will put efforts like Jaydeep. So maybe everyone may not get the rank 1, but there are many people who can get the rank in single digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. Let us start it. So what is our target for GATE 2022? To put more efforts, innovative ideas, right? We will collaborate in much better way, and definitely whenever GATE 22 results will declare, even I cannot see from now, but we will find that results could be much better than whatever we are achieving in GATE 2021. Just believe in yourself, put 100% effort, be honest in your preparation, success will achieve.
Thank you, sir. Your confidence, hard work and motivation will take VisionGATE to greater heights next year, and we will definitely do this interview again with a larger batch. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Jaydeep. I hope our audience get motivated by seeing this, and we'll be soon back with other topics too. Thank you.